Hello, this video I will show you how to get started with the bash labs. There are 2 bash labs in assignment 2 and all the labs are executed in the same way and created in the same way. So first off, here we are in the virtual machine. I am inside the shared folder, that is the course root, the course repository, the one called Unix. dbwebb create bash 1. Plop. Everything is okay. We can see here it's in me kmom02 bash 1. These files have been generated for me. The one we are supposed to look into is answer.bash. The instruction.html is the same instructions as in answer.bash, but it's a web page, so it's a bit easier to read. Apache 2 is a folder that we use in the lab. It's that folder you're supposed to step into and find and move files in the lab. It's this folder called Apache 2. You can start in 2 ways. One way is to use nano inside your virtual machine, or you can open your favorite editor here inside your host machine. And I think it's easier for everyone to read if I use Atom. And here we have the whole course folder, and I will step into the me folder, kmom02 and bash 1. And here are the same files that we could see here. Or if I do like this, here we have the same files. It's also the hidden ones, as you can see here. But answer.bash is the one we are gonna edit. First off is some information about which course, which lab, unique key that's generated for me, what time it's generated as, everything. Not so important. You go down here, bash 1, it's also part of another course called VL Linux. Section 1 is about the command ls. Exercise 1.1 is worth 1 point. Use the command ls to list the files and directories in the Apache 2 directory. And as I said before, it's this one you have here, not the one you have on your system if you have installed it. List 1 file directory per line. And here's a tip: use the command man ls to see the flags that can be used for the ls command. Man is the manual. All commands you can use in bash has a manual page. And we can see how it looks. Man ls. And here you have all the information you possibly can use for ls. This manual is also available online. So if you open up Google, you can search for Unix manual ls and you can find the same one online. But it's not as cool as viewing it in the terminal, just so you know. Somewhere here we can scroll with the mouse wheel. Somewhere here we can list, and we can find what we need. What was the one? It was used ls to list the files and directories. List 1 per line. Okay, we got some information. We can search inside here with control what is it? No, Shift 7. We can search for line, enter. Minus large age, follow symbolic links listed on the command line. Okay, not that one. Follow each command, no, not that one. We can press N for next, 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 next. Oh, what's this? List one file per line. Perhaps it's something useful. -1. Let's try it out. We go to Atom. We are going to replace this with, as we say in the instructions, this construction, because it's a command expansion. So the result of this command is gonna be returned into the variable answer. And that's good. List the files and directories in the Apache 2 directory. Okay, ls -1 Apache 2. Not too hard. We save it. We go to our virtual machine and we execute it. Answer.bash. Whoa, and here we get immediate feedback. Correct and well done. 1 point. Perfect. Just continue like this, step by step. Use the manual, use internet, use your fellow students. Yeah, let's say we get it wrong. We just do this. It automatically do it. If we try it like that. Here we go. Now we fail. Then we get some information about what we answered. So this is the answer I gave, and it's wrong. But I want to know what the right answer is. Then I can change this variable here, the assert, from false to true. And then when I execute it again, I can see a hint. So first is my very wrong answer, and then a hint. This is how it's supposed to look like to be correct. And then I have to change my answer to be true, to pass. So you can get a hint if you want, but then you have to answer the question wrong. Okay, continue like this. This is a command substitution. Let me know if you get stuck somewhere, and we help each other out. Otherwise, good luck, and see you in another video. Bye bye.